Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best airbrush kits for every artist's needs, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Nasedal Airbrush Kit upgraded 40 psi dual action. The Nasedal Airbrush Kit offers a dual action compressor with a 40 psi capacity, ideal for precision work in nail art, makeup, model, and cake painting. It includes 3 needle sizes: 0.2 mm, 0.3 mm, 0.5 mm, to cater to different detailing needs, making it versatile and user-friendly for artists of all levels. The advantages of this airbrush kit are high PSI for better performance, versatile needle sizes. The disadvantages of this airbrush kit are requires regular cleaning. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. NEOECO ncts J83 Dual Action Airbrush. The NEOECO ncts J83 airbrush features a dual action system with a 9 cubic centimeters, 1/3 ounce, fluid cup and quick remove cap design. This gravity feed set is perfect for detailed work in model and cake art, offering seamless transitions and efficient spraying. The advantages of this airbrush kit are quick remove cap for easy cleaning, precise gravity feed, durable construction. The disadvantages of this airbrush kit are small fluid capacity, learning curve for beginners. At number 3. Pistol Grip Airbrush Kit with Fan Cap. The Pistol Grip Airbrush Kit comes with 0.3 mm and 0.5 mm nozzles and a 15 cubic centimeters fluid cup, perfect for a variety of DIY projects like car models, makeup, nail art, and cake decorating. The fan cap ensures efficient coverage with every stroke. The advantages of this airbrush kit are ergonomic pistol grip for comfort, efficient fan cap for wider coverage, multiple nozzle options. The disadvantages of this airbrush kit are requires a compressor, not suitable for very fine detailing. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. TMS Wireless Airbrush with Compressor Kit. The TMS Wireless Airbrush Kit features a mini portable, cordless design with a 32 psi compressor. It is ideal for personal use in makeup, arts, and crafts with auto start/stop functions for seamless operation. The advantages of this airbrush kit are cordless and portable, auto start/stop for convenience, lightweight and compact design. The disadvantages of this airbrush kit are limited battery life, lower PSI than some models. At number 1. Airbrush Cleaning Tools Kits. This airbrush cleaning tool kit includes a glass jar pot and 3 sets of clean parts, along with replaceable airbrush needle nozzles, ensuring the longevity of your airbrush equipment by keeping it free from clogs and residue. The advantages of this cleaning kit are comprehensive cleaning set, durable materials, replaceable nozzles. The disadvantages of this cleaning kit are not a complete airbrush system, frequent maintenance required,